morning, my dear people. How you doing this morning? I'm out here, with 2 jellies, Wash off your heart, What this man does. Anyways, there is mommy struggling to finish the 1 jelly. Yes. This is the introduction to the video. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. Have a jelly here.
Alright guys, so you guys would have seen that a little clip from us in the market. So we actually got our early start to the day, 7 a.m. we got something started out. So we went back to the house, of course, to drop off the food and those stuff. So now we're on our way to halfway tree. Guys, yes. So I'm gonna have to get some work clothes because my body been growing. It's growing, yes. So I'm just gonna get probably like a few pants, nothing much. So I want to take you onto that journey as well. And we have some business things that I want to start out, or have some goods in Africa collect. Plus I am going to inquire some more about getting my packages like custom done and all these things. Yes, things that upgrade. Yeah, so we're gonna show you all of that for the day. Like, sorry we couldn't care from the beginning because we just decided we're gonna just do it. We never really clarify if we're gonna do anything like that. So
yeah. So I try to give you guys more vloggy vlogs.
Vloggy vlogs, yes.
Yeah.
We'll start out.
Yeah. We have been going out on the road a lot, so we can vlog now.
Yeah. Yo, miss it.
Roll, do me a bigger roll.
Orain, don't do that.
Roll. Give me a roll.
Oh God, the man skill at you, Orain. Man, depending on the phone,
Slip, give me a slip. Just a little slip. Just a little twitch off the toe.
Watch him.
I just want a little twitch off the toe.
Man, the flat ground, no. Alright guys, so it was a piece of little ward just to come from Twin Gates Plaza, but we can park. God bless you with that little space. Jesus, to find a man they come out same time. The place is stuck up bad. But anyways guys, we're heading over to Carby's now. Yes. We're going. You're not even starting now.
No matter.
We're gonna see what we can get. I am not arguing with that. Halloween. That's what I was trying to say before you cut me off. I was saying, you don't see that about we call it restaurant week, or we call it it's actually Halloween decorations.
Better.
Yeah, because this is so fun to most.
And then obviously this is
The material from this.
Yeah, that one. How will I go? A Sigma run here.
No, that no.
From a seat, we tell us that these two
The blue one are the best one, so that can fit.
So why you tie up so?
California, and
Love
now
no for this
surfing
now.
the
Coming
waves
on
in
with
Japan.
this.
While I'm surfing the radio waves,
Now we bottom part it.
How many something swim?
23 persons died from COVID-19 in the last testing period. The deaths occurred between August 30 and October 21, 2021. Jamaica also recorded 189 new COVID-19 cases yesterday. The Ministry of Health and Wellness reported that the new cases comprise 77 females and 112 males with ages ranging from 5 months to 98 years. The cases are recorded in St. Catherine, Kingston and St. Andrew, St. James, St. Thomas, Trelawney, Clarendon, Manchester.
Second.
103 FM.
Yeah, this is nice. Oh, what you do?
It is waka waka do.
No, it fits your person. The material them don't have nice. You see the material, so you get a better fitting.
Isn't it like better this too?
Eh?
Or the green?
No man,
Me
I
prefer
really
the
do,
green.
but that look good too. That just look good. It have a nice solid top. I like it.
I really love it, but I say I like how it look on me.
No, and this look. Yeah man, this is perfect. Yeah, the material, yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, that one is better.
You like that one?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go. What's the next one?
No.
Six. Feel disrespected.
I can't see.
A punch this, okay. Feel disrespected. Alright guys, so I have to kind of switch up the plan. I supposed to have some skirts at home. Find some skirt will probably look the same like the one I already have and I like. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna look on a shirt instead, and when we go home, look what skirt I have. I make sure I'm not buy the same thing. Or if I have enough, I don't have to buy any at all. I know I needed pants. That was the assignment.
That ugly frock.
Which part? Oh, don't call people them something coming out. So I see people out the road in this. I might catch a view of something like this in them closet. What want to this? Go work in this. Hey!
I wish Monday I work. We are going at this.
You're not here at the point.
This I see through something. Yeah.
I can't look funny. You can try it on.
What's that?
You stay. You stay now.
This is true. They can't go better with that. I mean, not
Thank
the
you,
color.
babes.
No, I'm not trying to come, I'm not trying to stand.
Let's hear what under blouse with this. You like it?
Oh, yes. Yes, right there.
Alright, so you see?
Yeah, right there. They go with this green and blue. Yeah, hot sauce. Yes.
I like that one.
Yes, you're the blue perfect.
Yes, you gotta put that in the board. People can iron me. Your style is here. Yes. Can do your wig, can do your clothes. Yes. You can't compete. Love the blue. This we love. This it what? Okay, I want small. Okay, you want the extra small? Want to do a small?
Take the black near to the
Small. I don't know, them jump from medium large and extra small. Oh, probably that this is a bomb shirt.
Size and sell out
pink, bubblegum pink, light pink.
I never tell you to take them just like on the size. So the size and the
See, but no on the pink. It's like clear pink there.
the medium, the much far on the small.
Yeah, that was so cute. Can try them. Right.
Live right here on 103, alright?
Yeah, but so. That really
So you are lock in, sing along.
Like this, someone else with one cardigan over.
Yeah, I've already.
Yeah, man.
At 8
You
o'clock.
know, like polka dots I get.
a.m.
Oh,
on
yeah.
Sunday.
Come deal with that for me now. Deal with that for me now.
It's a miracle.
Shadeka so nice, sure, and I hope. But the cut,
Yeah.
the cut is the same chart.
Alongside
So you want
CGS.
small then now?
Shadeka, the medium, them not cut that big
I
enough.
was one small that you're so
Carry the medium, so cause some of them something cut small.
Genius.
And that small?
It's like
Extra.
Get a medium.
No, put it on, put it on. No, sir, good one.
Which primary school you go?
Oh, it's there. Like medium.
And the back must button up also.
Yeah.
Yeah, look better.
But we must have something underneath this, but I'll go wear something.
It don't matter. You still have to wear something because it's thin.
Yeah, I'll wear something underneath it. They good?
Mm-hmm.
Hello, you want something tighter than that? You want like you see on one side. You don't want to close them for wear now.
Exactly that.
They want to understand, right?
This look better.
And that time medium, you don't want nothing small than that.
Oh. I'm trying the other one now.
Your shirt.
Watch it, woman. Watch it, woman. Watch it. Hey, she don't want to leave. Alright guys, so we just got Orain packages for he stocked up back on his earbuds, his fire stick and those stuff, so you definitely stay tuned at the OG Tech Story to see that. Pure Image was actually closed, but me being someone that loves to try, I went and I pulled that door and it was not in business, but there were workers there fixing up the place.
Literally they fix up them place.
Yeah, so I was able to speak to somebody and advise me, so all I have to do is just call back for the prices Mondays and we can see what's going on. So you know, I'm upgrading my packaging and those stuff for, you know, making it truly a luxury brand for based on affordability. So definitely stay tuned people at the Week Factor for all of that. So we're about to head to Mega Mart now, I think, you know, get some oh crap, I forgot to look around. No, I can't talk. No, I wanted some of the little white stickers where you can write on. I wanted to use it to label my wigs them, because like I'm stocking up and I just want to grab it and know what it is like that. I'm gonna have to kind of pull up packaging and all those stuff. I mean, if you've ordered from me, you know what I mean. But yeah, we're gonna head to Mega Mart, going back home to Portmore and all them stuff there. So stay tuned. Christmas is early. Alright, me good. Alright guys, so we finish up. We actually stopped and bought Chinese food because after all of that on the road, ain't nobody gonna cook. So that took at least 40 minutes. For what reason I don't know. Them have one person as serve the entire line. It's ridiculous. So it took us a while to get from there. Yeah. So we're on our way home. We're pretty much Orain said we're hungry. We're gonna just go and bathe off, eat. I have some other documents to deal with and them things there. So guys, this is the end of the vlog. We hope you enjoy it. See, we look, look weekend as a look, couple who deal with business and just regular life things. So, yeah, that's it.
Yeah, guys. Thanks for tuning into this week's video. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to Orain and Shadeka for become a part of our family. Please forgive the shaking we drive.
Yeah, and remember, guys, watch the ads, please.
Watch the ads.
Alright, guys. So, see you in the next one. Bye.
Bye, guys.
Hi.